Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana.
And it looks like it's going east central Cook. It looks like it's heading for Chicago. And it's heading towards Gary and Hammond, Indiana. It's going to impact Chicago. That storm is moving, it's going up to 70. Wow.
Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near.
It's going to Chicago.
Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Crestwood, Marionette Park, Evergreen Park, Logan Square, Portage Park.
East Central Cook looks like it's impacting Chicago. It's starting to go faster to up to 50. It started with a severe weather here in Indiana, or northern and northeastern Illinois to northwestern Indiana, and expected to head towards Michigan later, in later time.
The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern King County is canceled. The storms which crossed the warning have